everyone, welcome to Mr. Queen PH, and for those who are new here, my name is Rowena. I'm an intuitive tarot reader here on YouTube for almost 3 years now. In today's reading, we will see what are the major changes happening to you in 2024. And since this is a general reading, it may not resonate with you completely. So I suggest that you get a reading personalized to your unique situation, and I highly recommend my sponsor, Keen. Keen connects you with gifted psychics, tarot readers, and astrologers. All you have to do is to create an account and choose an advisor from the hundreds of readers online. These readers have unique specialties designed to provide guidance to your situation. You can choose whichever reader best suits your goals, and you'll be able to connect with them via phone call or text chat. You can always have a reading whenever you want, wherever you are, because Keen is available to help you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I've been using Keen for almost a year now, and Keen has helped me whenever I needed clarity and guidance. I have 2 regular psychics that I usually consult with, and they always bring enlightenment in my situation. That's why it's still best to get a personal psychic reading, because it is directed only to your energies. Now, here's your chance to get a personalized reading from Keen. As a new customer on Keen, you can try your first 5-minute reading for only $1. Just go to trykeen.com/QOP or click the link in my description to connect with a Keen advisor. You can also scan this QR code so you can easily access the website. This is a great deal to start a psychic reading online. Imagine it's only $1 for a 5-minute reading. So go to trykeen.com/QOP or click the link in my description and on the pinned comment to get a reading and enjoy a huge discount. Thank you so much for sitting through that, and thank you so much, Keen, for this opportunity. Now, let's go to your reading. Okay, Aquarius, let's see what are the major changes coming to you in 2024. So this is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. And pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Ayan, so let's see, Aquarius, ano yung major changes sa inyo ngayong 2024? Major changes for Aquarius 2024. Okay, you have the 9th house of self-discovery, travel, foreign land. So, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng kayo ay mag-abroad o magta-travel. You have the North Node. North Node is about your future. This is about your destiny. Yung destination na gusto niyo mong puntahan. So, I think you will be focusing more on your future plans. Yung mga hindi mo nagawa, hindi mo na isakatuparan ng mga nakaraang taon, ngayong 2024, andyan na yung direction mo. And you will also be networking, connecting with a lot of people, new friends, and marami kang makikilalang bagong connections, friends, through travel. So, if you will be traveling, maaring dyan ka mas makakuha ng network, mga bagong connections and friends that will help you achieve your goals and your dreams. Ayan. So, you also have Manas. Manas is about community, humanity, your self-awareness. So, I think meron kang mga i-improve sa sarili mo through learning. Ayan, through knowledge. Yung iba mag-aaral talaga, yung tipong meron kayong mag-enroll kayo sa school for a certain course, pwedeng short courses, pwedeng sa TESDA, pwede rin tong anything related to spiritual, mga pag-aaralan nyo na bagong spiritual abilities na you are really interested in. So, pwede tong, you may be learning tarot, astrology, numerology, or anything that really inspires you or interest you. Okay? And then you also have Raidu. So, travel opportunities talaga to, because Raidu is about journey and self-discovery. So, it's about discovering more about yourself, na hindi lang kung ano yung sitwasyon mo ngayon, na hindi lang doon iikot yung buhay mo. I feel like you will step out of your comfort zone and learn more about yourself through connecting with other people. Kasi syempre mas makikilala natin yung sarili natin. Lalo na kung lumalabas tayo, we talk to people, we travel, we experience the world, nature, and gain new friends through those experiences. And you also have Hagalas. Hagalas is a challenging situation for you. Maaring maka-experience ka ng ganyan. I think this can be related sa mga makakasalamuha mo or makikilala mo. Pero, siya learning process siya. So, kumbaga, may matututunan ka doon. Doon sa mga matututunan mo, mas makikilala mo yung sarili mo. Pwedeng magkaroon ka ng challenging situation with your best friend or someone na very close sa'yo, and you will realize na, hindi pala talaga siya concerned sa'yo. Yung ganun. Na tipong, nagsistay siya sa connection ninyo is because of the benefits that this person is getting from you. So, at least, na-realize mo yun, na-reveal yun sa'yo. 'Di ba? So, let's see what else for Aquarius. Major changes in 2024. You have the King of Cups. Yes, you will focus on love, taking care of yourself. Isolation din to in a good way, no? Yung tipong alam mo rin na mag-set ng boundaries. You will express your love, your care for others, your concern for others. But also, hindi mo rin kakalimutan yung sarili mo, no? Na alam mo rin na mag-set ng boundaries na hanggang dun lang yung kaya mong gawin for others because you are also protecting your energies. You have the Tower. Baka meron kang ika-cut off na person sa buhay mo na alam mong it's no longer serving your highest good. So, I think this is related to your past, no? I see kasi na pwedeng merong person from the past na bumalik and you will realize kung ito bang person na to ay worth it pa ba na magstay sa buhay mo at i-expect mo na maging part pa rin siya ng future. But for some of you, itong pagbabalik ng person na to, doon mo marirealize na ito ay hindi na kasama sa future plans mo. Yes, with the King of Swords. Kasi kumbaga pag-aaralan mo na practical pa ba na itong taong to ay magstay sa buhay mo or tanggapin mo pa rin or bigyan mo pa rin ng chance. You also have the Two of Pentacles. I think for some of you, you're going to be very busy. So, para sa inyo, isipin nyo kung saan kayo mas merong mas productive, kung saan mas may nag-a-add ng value sa buhay nyo, especially in your finances. You also have the Knight of Cups. But definitely, nandun pa rin yung romantic connection. Pwedeng meron pa rin na aali-aligid, lalapit, or magiging someone na you will be interested in or magiging acquainted ka. Lalo na kung itong person na to ay kapareho ng interest mo rin. Like for example, pareho kayong mahilig sa music or pareho kayo ng industry or ng field of expertise. So I feel like you will be opening up with new people na kung saan kumbaga pareho kayo ng interest, pareho kayo ng gusto. So kumbaga yun yung mag-add ng value sa buhay mo, hindi yung mga tao na taliwas or hindi kagaya ng mga gusto mo at hindi naiintindihan yung ginagawa mo. You have the Eight of Swords, the Knight of Wands, and Justice. So, Justice is about balance, bringing balance into your life. So, I think ito yung self-limiting beliefs na yung iba sa inyo ay ma-realize nyo na nasa isip nyo lang yan. All you have to do is to be brave enough na maging malakas yung loob na gawin yung mga bagay na gusto mo nang hindi mo iniisip yung sasabihin ng ibang tao. Kasi minsan, yun yung nagiging reason bakit hindi natin pinupursue yung mga gusto natin. Kasi natatakot tayo sa judgment ng ibang tao, sabihin ng ibang tao, sa iisipin ng ibang tao para sa atin. But I think, for you, Aquarius, you will realize na ano yung importante? Ano ba yung importante? Yung fulfillment mo or yung opinion ng ibang tao sa'yo? So, you will be more, baga magkakaroon ka ng clarity about what you really want to pursue in your life, and you will focus on making yourself happy, and kumbaga related na to sa ano mo sa future. Ang iisipin mo na future. Sloth, digital detox, recalibrate, reset, and recharge. Yes. So, for some of you, pwedeng magdi-disconnect kayo sa social media, or pwedeng part of 2024 na medyo maglalaylo kayo sa social media. Alam mo yung mas low-key lang kayo, hindi kayo masyadong magpo-post ng mga nangyayari sa buhay ninyo. But it doesn't mean na hindi ka na active. You are still watching people, but ikaw mismo, hindi ka na nag-share about what's going on sa buhay mo. You also have Spider Dream Weaver. You are tuning into the energetic grids around you. Yes. Where can you send your energy for healing? Yes. So, you are healing from your past. Lalo na kung meron kang i-close na chapter sa buhay mo, or ika-cut off na person sa buhay mo. Kasi you feel like this person is not anymore adding value into your life. And you also have Wolf, which is heart medicine. Yes, this really makes sense. So, ito yung sinabi ko sa inyo kanina. Let go of that which does not serve your highest good. Yes. And heal and move on and experience new things in life through discovering more about yourself. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aquarius. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Aquarius. See you again.